Now, Team Lease has come out with a report on the hiring activity expected in the second half of this year, and they are saying that the hiring sentiment is stable at this point in time. And when it comes to freshers, we can see increased hiring activity. Placements for freshers are likely to be up 10% or so in the second half of this year. To talk to us about this report, we are joined by Rituparna Chakrabarti, Senior Vice President at Team Lease, who's joining us from Bangalore. Rituparna, thank you so much for speaking with us at NDTV Profit. Now, if people look ahead after seeing data they've got from the past. Now, in the first 6 months of this year, most corporates that we have spoken to are not very optimistic about earnings. The earnings have not been good. And anecdotally speaking, we've heard of layoffs coming in, especially in the banking sector, if you look at some of the foreign banks. But your report is saying that the hiring sentiment is now stable. Give us more details about your report. Has there been an improvement at all?
Yeah, I think we clearly see that there's going to be a surge in hiring, especially for the fresher category. We're looking at least 10% growth in terms of hirings for people who are coming out of schools, and I think that's going to be a great news. The sectors which are looking up at this point of time for us is, of course, infrastructure, pharmaceutical, information technology. Areas for sectors like BFSI continues to have a moderate sentiment at this point of time. But I am actually quite hopeful that in the next 6 months or so, you will see even financial services pick up, because clearly there is a focus in terms of going into tier 2, tier 3 cities. Because there are no more licenses which are expected to come in. There is, of course, there is a far more competitive environment that is thriving, because of which the existing players also are looking to establish their foothold. So I'm actually the way I look at it, by the time Make in India actually kicks in, the benefits of Make in India, of course there will be a lag effect in terms of when you will actually see the results of it. But in between, the hiring sentiment would be managed by the sectors like logistics, infrastructure, information technology, and financial services. So even for the medium and senior level requirements, there is a moderately positive sentiment at this point of time. It's not that it's just going to be hirings happening around freshers. So overall, there seems to be clear indicators that hiring outlook is expected to be good.
Right. Rituparna, you spoke about sectors like IT and infrastructure, which will lead the hiring activity. Now, when we speak to IT companies, they're saying that the kind of work that they're doing now, increased automation, makes some amount of manpower redundant. So really, what kind of increased hiring are we going to see in the IT space? Because not only do you need to hire the right people, you also have to train them, because the nature of the business there is changing.
I agree. I think, of course, automation is coming into play in a big way, and hence I'm not saying that IT would be the biggest employers. However, because of smart cities becoming a reality, the domestic market for information technology companies have started becoming lucrative. And to cater to that market, you would see a lot of one-time hires being made to fulfill some of these project requirements. And that is a sign.
Right. Rituparna, your report also says that except Delhi, most of the cities are exhibiting optimism in business and hiring outlook. What makes you say that? I mean, what is it that Delhi is lacking at this point in time, and what could change going forward?
I think a lot of the hiring has been triggered by the new age companies, startups, e-commerce, logistics, which are very much centered around especially Bangalore. Delhi, I think, are losing out from that perspective in terms of being able to attract the new startups or the companies who are willing to set up new businesses. And I think, but I don't really see that as a long-term impact in terms of Delhi. I mean, Delhi has been ahead in all our previous, in our outlooks so far. So I believe that it is generally the direction of momentum right now, which is very much Bangalore-centric, because of which Bangalore is clearly a winner. But I think over a period of time, as even the e-commerce companies start spreading out all across the country, you will see a lot more uniform pattern emerging in terms of hiring. I would not be too concerned about the dip in terms of the sentiment around Delhi at this point of time, because when we are looking at manufacturing, when we are looking at Make in India, I think Delhi in and around the entire NCR, the bordering of areas around Rajasthan, I think that belt is going to be an extremely critical belt in terms of future employment.
All right, Rituparna, we'll leave it there. Appreciate you joining us here on NDTV Profit and sharing with us the details of your reports. So clearly indicating that going forward, things are likely to improve, especially for the freshers, and the boom, of course, is coming in from the e-commerce space in particular. With this, we are slipping into a quick break. Don't go